Good morning, everybody. ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful evening last night. We're going to have an amazing trading today. Why? Because we do that every single day. Let's head over to the MOJO chat room. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody in the MOJO room. How you doing today? Some pretty nice trading on that Twitter yesterday, huh? Yeah, real nice, real nice. People banged out Twitter, made a lot of money in the MOJO room yesterday. So this morning we have some top gainers right here: ATER, Twitter, PPGH, and Ollie Oxenfree next, and DWAC or lower. DWAC attack, DWAC attack, DWAC attack. Ooh, who else is in the room? Hey, ProTrader Mar, OG, back from vacation. Likes SBFM, Ader, and Twitter again. Ooh, did well yesterday. Moneybags, didn't you make your biggest day ever yesterday in the MOJO room? Let's see, someone did that. Where was it? Right here. Well, I already made $455 on my funded account. Day 2, guys. Keeping track for the room. There's the move I made. I should have held it through Hines. I missed that big drop. Look at the bar. This is 95 through Hines, and this is the drop, but I was already up so much. I was like, I'm going to take it, done for the day at 455, but I was right. I would have held it if I was more into my Poly Swarm's 4286 today. Right now, it's up a little bit. Let's see what the ranking's done. 513 is the same. It's about another 30 watch lists. So it's done good. It's look a little cup and handle right here. So if you know anything about charting, guys, and the volume's increasing, which is really good. So here's Poly right here. There's a nice little cup and handle. It's actually a perfectly formed cup, and the handle's perfect because it goes in the downwards direction like this. The next move is straight up through the top of this, and then this right here. That's 1 and 2. Look, volume steadily increasing right here. You know, it's steadily increasing. That's called a cup and handle. Looking for the 05 move into mini Hines 05, adding at 0.48 on Poly. There you go. Let's see. Paul yesterday. Who did go? This is my comic strip. Do you ever get the feeling that you're going to miss out on a lot of things? ProTrader Mike calls it FOMO. I think that's what he taught me in class. Funny one, right? All right, what do we got here with the stocky stock market, guys, today on my Dash Trader Pro? What do we got here today? All right, we got some GGROW, which is this, I have no idea. It doesn't even say what the name of it is. Doesn't say what the name. 13 by $14. We were trading it through Hines. I got marked 100 at 13.88 for the Hines 14. And you got this SBFM, 2 warrants. What a warrant is, see these ones that have the W on it? Look, see that? That's a warrant. And that's the common. So when these were IPOs, they issued warrants with the stock, and they expire at a certain time. They're good for a certain price. That's how it works. This one's ripping. It's good volume on this 32 million. I like this one today. There's not too far you have to go right here, guys. This is a really good stock. I like this SBFM. So let's put this up here. Add Facebook right here. I'm going to add AMC right here because this is my watch list for today. So we got SBFM. See, I didn't have to look. I remembered the symbol. Archon. Twitter today. TWTR. Oh, what else we got today? TCAT for another move today, possibly. SBFM wants the mini Hines. Yeah, it does. Or it's going to go down to stopping station. One of the two. We know that, guys, right? That we know. So let me clean up a couple of my screens, get ready for my day. That's what we do. LFG, baby. Yesterday was a good day. Today's a good day. Every day is a vacation when you love your occupation, guys. Yo, yo, yo. Every day is a vacation when you love your occupation. You know what I'm saying? LFG, baby. Let me get the chat going for the room. LFG, that's how it's true. It is true. Absolutely, guys. And remember, guys, you know, everything we do on here is for educational purposes only, dudes. Trading's very, very risky. I said it was going to come down to stopping station. Where'd it go, guys? Stopping station. Now it's going to bounce to 33 and go back down under 25. It's going to go back lower now. Watch. Give me a like on that video, dudes, because, you know, we work hard here at the channel to bring you the best content ever. What happened? He says, my wife got a laugh out of that. She's damn right, baby. Let me do the chat overlay. We got 7 minutes. What's going on, boys and girls? That's what we do in the MOJO room. In the MOJO room. Dude. Dilly dill dill. I got some time for my dill. Look at that trade, dude. Sold half of SBFM. Right there, $300 trade, boys, right off stopping station. Told you, sold half again. Look how good that trade was, dude, right? Mojos, where'd I tell you it was going to go, right, Moj? Come on down to stopper again. Twitter's I'm on Twitter right here. Too fast for me to concentrate. Dude, that thing got halted at 17. BGR right now is halted at 17. I got it at 1388. 2 for 2 real beautiful winners today. Trading in the MOJO Day Trading room. Thank you, sir. Can I have another one? Thank you, sir. Can I make another one today? So damn easy. And in the futures, let's trade the futures. I gotta turn my other account on. I'm gonna trade the futures right now. Show you how easy that is. Right off stopping station. Here we go. 7. Nine, 10, 11, boom, baby. Nice trade, Mojos. 275. I only needed to do one trade today. I'm done at 130 bucks. The reason why is I'm funded. I just have to make it through 2 more days. So that was just for fun. So I'm going to turn that account off. That right there is my 53,278 on that account, guys. It's a good trade happening right here. 200 launch at 31.99. Really good trade. And I'll pass on it. If I needed to trade, I'd do a trade right there. I would have made more money, but I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to shut it off. And when I shut it off, I got to hit close. Got to hit close all positions, so I make sure I don't have any open position. So hit close, close, connections, disconnect. I made 130 today. That was actually 53,278. Got one more day, and then that account's funded. So let's shut this off. Yes. Cool, guys. That's how it's done, man. That's how it's done. Look at that move through 32. Look at that. SPFM 47 now. Great trading today. Sweet. I can get anyone a funded trading account for $50,000. Let me show you how it works. You come to my Twitter. That's my OG8. Doesn't it look like me? The hat, the yellow teeth, the shirt, the grays, the hairs. Yeah, looks just like me. Dang, they did a great job. See, looks just like me. Thank them, guys. Dude, I'm going to do this in 15 minutes. Let's go. Click this URL right here. Trade multiple accounts, one compounded into profits. No upfront capital needed. Let's go. Start your own business, baby. Let's go. I'm starting this in 15 minutes, dude. Let's go. Limited seating, dude, in the free webinar. Let's go, baby. No capital required, dude. You don't need any of your own money, dude. You just need to be in the Mojo Room subscription. You need to get my futures course, learn what the hell you're doing, and then go make yourself freaking a huge amount of money. Yeah. Oh, that's nice to share. He had to share, dude, that his only problem right now is his day trade limit. He had to take a ton of money out of his daughter's surgery because it dropped me below. I'm so sorry to hear that, but that's personal, dude. You shouldn't be sharing that on with the world, bro, in the Mojo Room. You're in the futures program, bro. Go ahead and change it for yourself, my man. Don't worry about that PD stupid T rule, my man. Don't worry about that stupid PDT rule. You don't need to. Futures, you see what I just did today? Could have made freaking paid for the whole thing in one shot today, my man. One whole shot today, that's all. Yeah, Dill, go for it. 2:30. Yeah, it sounds hot, dude. I'll do that. Done. Now we got to ask every day. Definitely make sure she's doing good. Keep her on the on the front eye with the prayers, with the good prayers going over there all day. Because that's fam now. SBFM new high, sold half, 650 mini. 669 sold half again, baby. Look at that trade. 670 Mojos. Woohoo, Mojos. Woohoo, Mojos. Woohoo, Mojos. Way to go, dudes. Oh, 2,055 people are putting out the money in the room now. Let's head over to the Mojo Room now. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Dudes, any questions, just ask me in the chat, bro. Ask me. Let's head over to the Mojo Room. This is amazing. We were rocketed today. Yo, Paul just broke his cherry, dude. Just did his first trade off SBFM in the MOJO Day Trading Room. That's what I love to see. Look at that. 207 to 226. How'd you know? What made you pick 207? Is that what's called a stopping station? Is that what happened? Oh, look at the 3 accounts, boys. Look at that. 1,000. He only made 700 for the day, but he compounded it across 3 accounts, baby. 3 grand for the day times 20 days. He's making 60,000 a month, $1 million a year. and he didn't even break a sweat. How easy was that, Emmanuel? Is this a life changer or what? Oh, look, the S2, baby. Look, stopping stations, bro. SBFM, homie baloney. Isn't it cool that I know those support numbers before they even happen, Paul? How crazy is that? Isn't that crazy? Oh, you want to see the Mojo Edge? We'll go over that too. You know, the Mojo Edge is 80%. You have an 80% edge of winning with Mojo. That's amazing. Here's the Mojo Edge.
All right, so what's the word you're thinking of, Chief? I'm curious.
I know, but I had a slide on it. I'm pissed I can't find it. Like when I need it, you know?
Yeah, that's the way it is.
I'll teach you off the other word that it's related to. No problem. It's related to that. That's the wrong one. Come on, Mojo, copy the right one. Copy C. It's related to that. The word is variance. V-A-R-I-A-N-C-E. It's called variance. What variance is, no matter what your game is, no matter, you will, if you're an amazing poker player, you will run into a streak of bad runs. If you are a professional wakeboarder, you will break your freaking leg one day and run into variance, right, Colby? If you are a amazing singer, celebrity, you may run into a throat sore where you can't perform. Variance may come, and even though you don't expect it and would never be considered, variance, no matter how good you are, always comes into play, and it will nip you in the butt if you don't respect it. It's called variance, no matter how good you are. It relates to positive expectancy, which positive expectancy is when you first start to trade. How do you judge your results, guys? If you're like a novice trader, you're likely to have a little tiny understanding of trading expectancy. What this is you're so focused on the win rate in the early days of your trading, you're probably going to try to win 80 or even 90% of the time. It's a constant struggle. You may have to able to achieve it in a short period of time, but your small wins don't cover your big losses. And once you hit an unlucky string of trades called variance, you can't recover. While very high win rates can be achieved by experienced traders like Mojo with the system of the Hinds, those with a system that allows a used drawdown is extremely difficult for new traders to sustain percentages as their various trading errors and variance and impatience get the best of them. From there, you might shift your focus to your risk-reward ratio. As long as you can win more than you lose, you could make your trading work. Well, you've been looking at 3 to 4 times as much profit compared to the loss. So if you're going to make, lose 100, you want to make 300 on a trade. Your win rate drops dramatically. It's a struggle. The big win doesn't cover the string of losses that you're going to take, and that's positive expectancy. So trading through confidence and positive expectancy is one of the biggest mistakes all traders make when entering in the competitive battlefield that's known as the trading edge. Just as it would be foolish for the samurai warrior to enter the battle without knowing the quality and condition of his chosen weapon, the armor, a trader must know the quality of his trading edge. Without this knowledge, how can you be confident to face adversity? Only through research, testing, and focused practice sessions can a trader fully be confident of their edge and overall trading expectancy. You need to have an intimate knowledge of your trading plan, confidence in your ability to execute with precision and want to succeed in the battlefield. Many would-be traders have fallen due to lack of preparation. Don't be one of them. Know your trading expectancy, and your edge is the Heinz trade play. Embrace your edge, keep your discipline, carve out a piece of the market with confidence, guys. Positive expectancy right there, boy. Okay, now let me show you the trading edge. In a casino, when you go to the roulette table, they have a 5.4% edge against the player. Every $1 million that goes through the roulette wheel, they will make $54,000. There's 18 out of 38 slots that the player could win because of those two greens. See the green at the top and the green at the bottom? That's the casino's extra 2 slots on the wheel. It gives them a 20 out of 38 slot chance of winning, which is 52.7% versus the player at 47.3%, giving the casino a 5.4% edge, equaling on every 1,000 bets, they're going to win 540 times. They're going to lose 473 times. And winning 540, losing 473 makes them 54,000. The Mojo system's the same. Out of every 1,000 trades, you're going to win on 800. You're going to lose on 200. And if you make 200 compared to the $100 loss, 800 wins is $1,600 compared to the losses, which is $200, you're up $1,400. That's the system, and you have an 80% edge and higher trading with Mojo and the Heinz trading system. That's what I teach in my day trading class. I just taught you a mini lesson of it right there. And if you like what I've taught you, how I've taught it to you, you can then sign up for my day trading class. Links below in the description. Peace! ProTrader Mike out on the teaching front right there. Huge freaking run, dude, on NQ. Look at that. Holy crap. Look what just happened to SQQ. If I would have held that one position, dude, I could have really made, I was going to say I was going to hold through 32 today, just one lot. If I would have done my plan right there, I would have made one lot. How much one lot, guys? 4 grand? 5 grand on one lot, maybe? 3 grand? How much would I have made, guys? How much would I have made, Adam? One lot through 32. It's now at 33. How much would I have made?
I have no idea.
Let's figure it out. Can we? Can we? Where did it let's figure it out. I'll show you right now. Let me open up my Ninja. Dude, I'm opening it up, but I swear I won't do a trade. Okay.
I think it's $4,700.
$4,700 I would have made. Thank you for not letting me open my Ninja Trader to do that, because that would be unbelievable, dude. $4,700, dude. $4,700, dude. So it went from right here. That's where I did my earlier trade, right? All the way up at the top. So I did it all the way up here at 15,120. It went under 15,000, which is the Heinz right here for the reverse. It stopped right here at 77.72 stopping station right there. So this would have been, let's see. So every, let's see. So from 15,120. Let me make sure I'm on the right screen right here. So 15,120 to 14,980. That right there, this move on one lot. Let's see. So from here to here is 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500, 5,000, 5,500, 6,000, 6,500, $7,000. So like, let's say $6,000 trading one lot today times 5 accounts is 30 grand for the day times 20 days is 600,000 for the month times 12 right there. See that? Is 7 million for the year. Right there from that move today in the Mojo room. I just laid the groundwork for you guys right there. How sick is that? How sick is that, dudes? That badass? That's badass, dude. Go take my freaking course, bro. Go get signed up right now. For $897, you get the Mojo chat room. For 1 month, you get the Mojo course on futures and my coaching to coach you through the evaluation to get funded. Go to my Twitter. It's pinned up. Links below in the description. If you don't get signed up, you're silly. I just show you to make $7 million in a year for less than $1,000. Where are you going to do that? You don't need any product, any inventory. You don't need a store. You don't need a lease. You don't need a license. You don't need an educate. You don't need 5 years of education, dude. It's like crazy cool, dude. If you don't go sign up today, you're foolish not to give it a try because, dude, you're leaving sick money on the table, dude. Sick money on the table. And the accounts that you set up next to yourself to copy trade, you're leaving money on the table for them too. They don't like it right now. For $80, you can open up multiple accounts. $80, $80, $80, $80, $80. For $800, you can open up 10 accounts. Yeah. 10 accounts times that freaking 5 grand is 50,000 on the day, 600,000 on the month. No, 50,000 on the day, 20 days. Oh my gosh. That's $1 million a month. Times 12 is 12 million a year. 10 accounts, $5,000 a day copy trading, 10 million a year. That's where I'm going to be right now in the next 12 months. So on April 5th of 2023, I'll let you know when I'm over $10 million, guys. And I don't make the 10 million. The firm makes 2 million. I make 8 million. I keep 80% of the profits. The firm keeps 20. They're allowing me to open up 10 accounts and give me $500,000 to trade for $80 an account. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where do I sign up? Where do I sign up? Yeah. Yeah, Manuel's learned his lesson, dude. Manuel's learned his lesson, bro. I was looking at SQ3117, knew it was going to be a green day. I knew it too, dude. Beautiful setup today. But, dude, that's one day out of the heartache of many's. Have to stick to the rules and hit the goal and log off many times, not overtrade. You better ask somebody. We know the deal. That's a form of mastery. When you can do that, what he said right there, and what I've done, it's a form of mastery. You're like, oh, he's so stupid. He could have made 5 grand. Dude, it's a form of mastery. Every trade I go into, I look to lose. Do you do that? Do you guys do that? Every trade I go into, I look to lose. And if I win, there you go. And I'm doing that 80% of the time. So it's not a big thing to say, oh my gosh, I'm losing on every trade. I'm only losing on 20% of my trades. but I'm very cautious because I'm expecting to lose and I'm ready to cut it when I know I'm wrong. And that's the key. Remember that. And then remember what you can do for the project, not what the project can do for you. What can you do for Mojo, dude, instead of what Mojo is going to do for you? What are you going to do, bro? What are you going to do for me today?